Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right. So for this problem, we want to find out the combination of the capacitors so that we can satisfy some conditions. So for each capacitor, we have capacitance C equal to 2 microfarads, and we have the battery V equal to 200 volts. So for part A, we want to make sure that the combined capacitors has capacitance C equal to 0.4 microfarads, and the maximum voltage that it can take is V max equal to 1000 volts. Okay, so I think the easiest way will be just the series connected way. 3, 2, 5. So each one has 2 microfarads, and the combined capacitance will be C equal to 2 microfarads over 5, which is 0.4 microfarads. And because each one could take 200 volts, so total of them could take 1000 volts in total. So so this satisfies this condition. And for part B, we want to make sure that the C is 1.2 microfarads, and also V max is 1000 volts. So you can simply just put 3 arrows of the series connected capacitors. So this first arrow, second array, the third array. Okay, and because each array has a series connected capacitors, and so basically each array has a capacitance of 0.4 microfarads, and because you have 3 arrays, so total one will be 1.4 microfarads. So this satisfies this condition. And also the maximum voltage that it can take is also 1000 volts, because each array has 5 capacitors, and each one could take 200. So total of them could take 1000. So it also satisfied. So yeah, okay.